All go drast.
Pústair na Gaeltach agus na Nílan.
You never know what you're going to get.
Hanna siad a bheith sin pléine riatanach le gach coirsnach.
How could you be bored flying at 500 feet around mountains?
Ans an trééis seo, dhéana sin innéin a ha gobad ag na pústair.
The land is rat saying.
Fá filetan go méintin na nesc siúí.
Right, guys, come to us, please. He was like, are you scared of it? Yes.
Going down, crashing.
Go siad a bheith sin éigin agus an imimech dríach.
You're basically done a job you can ill it.
Lovely. Cheers.
Hí sin déadol cúl gróichin trothúlan na néine ha gobad an.
Strong wind, but it's down the runway, so we'll enjoy that, I'm sure.
I have an ejector seat. You don't know the ejector seat.
Macha seo.
Ans a frógra miniu. Ha núne roiore an an inne ruige.
Can you do it?
Ha dúir se go bhú ích os ceann na Nílan siar.
You think you'll manage one knot of crosswind?
Agus pléine príomhaideach an na manne bhilga.
This is very light. It feels like a little toy.
Thorstair in ruige, am thorstair is aide tua mór hir na Alba. Y farog idd pléinich yn waiol y wneidjon agus ag abaréain, a in ruige trang le pléinich yn big o warab coni, agus at y siŵl fadas. Andrew Bruce the roi far north, company was a roi coni do charabit an ar.
Yeah, just fine.
We're about 20 minutes away.
Siep a fam as Andrew, na pléinich yn rihalwg cholua sa goes.
You want to be as quick as possible. I've got your T1 ready.
Hannig yn eidol an sio a New York, agus se in ruige yn ceru aige ans yn dostada i lia go Amsterdam. Se pílid asig i ddysacca idd yn tros y pílid a ha sio.
Ferry pilots are people who, for a living, fly airplanes around the world. And why do airplanes need to move around the world? Usually because they've changed hands.
Y farog idd conig, fydd i'n ferry channicha agus y pílid coram a goal idd gydasan yn ruige. Tai big, Wi-Fi yn asgi agus piawn.
Do you know what a Fabergé egg is?
Yes.
These are worth more.
Mar farst gan yn hyddafas, a Andrew idd yn wbeth pep adacca ulwchig myr ha.
Andrew is actually one that makes this kind of stuff the shortest. Sadly, that's what we're looking for.
You'll get off, I think, for 15:15. We'll try and get you off for 15:15. Yes, you manage that?
That's good.
Let's go.
Okay, thank you.
My pen.
See you again. See you,
Andrew,
David. All right.
nice to see you.
No problem.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye to you too. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Chanil cael ag Andrew di anu yn ish, ach brachwys chwn yn tŵr studi.
He'll get out before you close because he's on his way out the airplane now. The flight plan's filed and everything's tiggity-boo. Oh, what is it? A slot. All right, I'll tell him. Cheers, back. A slot time of 18:38 then. Slot time 18:38.
Gyd ag yn slot sio dalach o dore, suas di uad y hyd y gwle.
I never saw a slot time for Amsterdam before.
We'll see. Maybe it's going to improve.
Andrew ag iori siad a fas ma o'r trachad, agus has diol o geith.
The only thing you can do is, you see, if you get airborne, they'll put a violation on you. So I'm going to cancel your IFR flight plan and file a VFR flight plan from you from here to Amsterdam, right?
Bydd y VFR, nio plan ysgu hwle, corum gai ffagalas o'n Amsterdam. Ach chanil cein jaca gymi corum lai awn cholua sy'r igasad.
He's a bit impatient, to be honest. Sorted out that no problem.
Postar ab Ryan, en nach ihm hua ag pleinig in idigin na Hawabe. A da uad fesker, tosioch yn shiftur gan y piloten, agus had y feining horum neoch gechele goal.
Yeah, he said, what are you doing on the 14th? I was like, 14th? Oh, what day is it? Well, midweek, working in the daytime, nothing much else planned. Oh, so Valentine's Day. Ah, about that, yeah. Thanks for reminding me. Right, thanks guys, see you later.
She filet Tim Butler,
The went balance sheets.
agus pilet Adrian Rose hedenish.
Right, okay.
Maar filet had Tim y gior in y swringa dy iodd sain. Agus ha Adrian ymiach gymidula no ga rea yn yw.
Trying to get you some crosswind landing practice as well. Where are you going to get that? Stornoway. So you should fly Dunbeckers to Stornoway.
Fi mi a deslon joch a hwgal a ben y fylde sues y stornawag. A barwch fysroch I ag Padri Craig Mael a hananiach idigin iddo flene idigin.
It's patient's got a booked appointment because flights and everything are delayed. The next flight's not till Tuesday.
Right, okay.
Patient needs this assessment before then,
Right.
so
Understood, yeah.
that's why we're good today.
Clear for takeoff. 16, going 926.
She filet Tim ha gatord sues.
You set power.
Power set, your power.
Agus Jevis ag yn stiwd son y hiad hwrst gan turis. A Ryan gyben y fylde.
Rotate.
Thank you very much. Cheers. Okay, off we go.
Hey, it's going to be a bumpy day today.
An yn ynnyruige, a plene ashi gele y yn ysdiach ar son conwg. Yn turis sio, plene King Air iddo lia gu Africa Jess.
Is that the wife you're calling?
Agus iddo radio ha pile dele y giori yn ysdiach gu joch.
Lilino. Hey, hi Lilino, it's Andrew, are you there?
Alright, well, we're approximately 11 minutes out for 427 Papa Echo.
Okay, so we've got the coffee, the boat, and the fuel ready.
Thanks, sir.
Han drwy giori yng Nghingere lianig, mwsti gyna flein ysdiach.
A pass. If I've not got a pass, they'll arrest me. Not joking. All over the world, Beechcraft King Air.
Ang Nghingere kom soch ys siŵl ai corir 300 miles yn uas, ach chan la syr ai coris 3 million no.
The tracker.
An drwy ioddwch ys pleinigyn, se piled agus vertjukes gehan heen.
How are you doing? Good trip?
Yeah, we just in from Reykjavik.
I filed your plan to Perpignan. Straight line.
Straight line. Okay,
Straight
that's
line.
Fine. Thank you.
Fydd Andrew Jich mynadyn y lianig na cedd tankichen le conig pleine.
If you want to go in and get a cup of coffee, okay. See the blue door over there? Okay. Go up the stairs and shout coffee now.
Bí na flein asig, short 360, it yn ysdiach yng nghawn mynad na ga.
There's the shots.
Fe mi Andrew caffag e ianu, os o'n y na flein y chwyd ymach gwsgibolte.
By the time I'm finished this, it should be about time. I'm not going to be too late for that one.
Hasiach ag yn yrwyge ag 4 chan y tŵa na hawabe, y ceolwch gyfer a tarinioch don y plenig yn bygge y fys y goal tasinioch yn siar. An ymiach Andrew, a bychodd bach ag ychydig eidiolan a haid turism o sio.
Aye. There's Jonathan. How are you doing?
Hey, Andrew.
And there's the lady whose name means if she starts something, she finishes it. Hello there, Lillinois.
Most people call me Noni.
Noni?
Yeah.
My father-in-law was called Noni.
Really?
Northern Highlands Gaelic. There you go.
We got here from Glasgow, but started off a few days ago in Keshcase.
I'm heading to
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Ach a tripla jacke a ha ceolwch nach biad y dol tŵs mi yn raste.
Problem with the nose wheel?
Yeah, I wasn't turning back.
Not turning back? How odd.
Gwyforst anoch, ham haltjes jolish ag Andrew.
I've got a tow bar that'll fit it, it'll straighten it. I've got everything here.
Oh, you got a tow bar?
Of course, this is Wick, not Heathrow.
Well, they told me you guys didn't have anything up here.
Who said that?
The guys in Glasgow.
Yeah, that's par for the course. You come in and have drink coffee and chunky Kit Kats. The blue building over there, blue door, toilets downstairs, upstairs, shout coffee now.
Thank you.
Okay, Logan 39 Golf Alpha cleared to try and control airspace on track Tobmo, climbing to 50130. Thank you, bye-bye.
Mar fer a hamysalydd golf, a dwl ma cei, efys y gwybod am sy'n tŵr studi, y cwrblwch y drwyd a ha anasoch me ie'n postar ben y fyrle. Gyfeil run golf na teil I hyf.
It's on the southeastern quadrant of the airfield, so the boundary of the golf course runs along the boundary of both runways, long and short.
A cha run ile fasgir live a anamol, or gyme Sian Tom Morris, ailgire yn Sian chwsio an y cilrifin, agos cwsio yn ile y ialaf eich Agus ska sin, vi asger nis an y nuisje jes y tal o gynne for fjögen tøyl.
Back to the approach, hello, it's Mike India Charlie Romeo Oscar, just levelling quiet level 80, direct bend back killer. We've got Romeo 1002.
Mike Romeo Oscar, descent to altitude 3,100 feet, QNH 1002.
3,100 feet, 1002, Mike Romeo Oscar.
A plein y prifidioch a Peterborough y tyn ysdiach le ochner e'r bord. Agus at y dolwch lwych idd yn cwrs y clwydioch.
Mike Romeo Oscar, we just come visual.
Mike Romeo Oscar, join report left base from Machifo. Askiness is beautiful, yeah, that's a proper links course, 18 holes. But Askiness, if you're going to play Askiness, take plenty of golf balls because it's, again, the rough is, if it's in there, you can almost forget about it.
Bestuurdig in de boeien, John Rowe, het je een shock gemaakt triek.
We've been kindly invited by Mr. Rowe.
Who's the Askiness Open tomorrow. Let's see how many golf balls we lose.
All weekend I'll be playing golf down in Askiness. And I'll be babysitting.
It's always windy here.
She divey bottomly, peeled y flenedig.
Yeah. What you can do, well, it's quick. If you go on an airline, you're going to have to wait about an hour, aren't you? With this one, they just jump on. We sat on the runway at Peterborough this morning, and as soon as they were on, I just started up and went. We didn't even have to move.
Le komme so gob ag aster céad hiad is cúgad míle san nuas. She chet citation a char le imme nech biarstoch.
Cup holders, yes, you have tables. One on each side. They're nice and clean today.
Ach ag prís siamel your note, can you doi shuil hyr ha sho.
This is very light. It feels like a little toy. It's like, I suppose it would be like a computer game. Not that I play those, but it's like those.
An den Ruige, ha kuch de skippe Amerika noch en short 360 prist, a goal dish, gumi dalore.
Have you boiled that kettle?
Huh? I don't know.
Did you boil it? You boil it. All you Americans, because we're Scottish and we're as tight as duck's backside. Yeah. You've got to boil the kettle each time here, you see.
It's steaming. It's fine.
Aan druk aan kujoche en hele hoshigake a garig.
Now, just so happens, Sab, Jetstream, Shots 360.
Ha nog eens genoeringheid en maar taring de glachkig, zo'n een hele goed giedoch. Voor u, u het een king eerder vanaf nu de begoot.
I think it's come off the...
It's off the rack.
Yeah.
Normally it pops back on. What do you got for Allen wrenches?
Andrew Gianuas, het is.
Andrew is Andrew. He's 100 miles an hour.
See, Shots 360 Tova. What do you want next? Jumbo 400 series?
Yes, please.
I can supply anything.
It's cute. I like it. It's a nice little airport.
Cute.
A little bit colder than I thought it would be.
At least she didn't say quaint.
Show a hier duur ham heeled noni is ski ashike janu.
Normally, I fly a route that goes from one town or city to another and back again. And so this is way outside of the norm for me.
Acha near Philid Jonathan, iddi fi gobeth mar Philid Ashik, fat flionichen.
The airline pilots, you know, they fly into these big things, they wear their pretty suits and they fly back and forth every day. And that just never appealed to me. I like the ferry work. It's dangerous. There's not a lot of professional ferry pilots. Probably less than 100 that are active at a given time, you know, real ones. Sometimes there's mechanical issues over the water. If you've got one engine and it quits, you know, you're in trouble.
Can you push on this?
Femi at a chile a charag, mesurin gaif shul gu inis chil.
Push it. There we go.
She Chris a mechanic a hake board, agus ha falioch a geith a carag.
How we doing?
Well, we're slightly less than completely.
If you have a mechanic with clean hands who doesn't cuss, you can't trust him.
Hamlein a idigin na ga shia a shul gu benja völe, farvel islatjoch a fehuore.
Gamma 926 is final approach established, runway 24. Gear down. Yep, speed check, gear down.
She corm a hound do year Philid Tim, and plain a horchias on the ngu in either va larger.
Strong wind, but it's down the runway, so you'll enjoy that, I'm sure.
Yeah, okay. I'm visual with the runway now.
Okay, yep. BRF's to be 95.
Minimum.
Keep a little extra for the wind. Yep, good.
100. 50.
BRF plus
30.
10.
20. 10.
Yeah, nice. That's a busy little approach there, isn't it?
It is busy, yeah.
Wayamaga Tim, agus hang harabat idigin a fehu lish an islatjoch ag Patrick.
Keep it a how. Very good. I'll come in a wee second, yeah? Right, Danielle.
A Danielle koik blan a richet, agus haid an lús a chawl na kosh. And a doctor in a georia tort gan hospital on the storn of ag savat a shon messe a Januara.
Feels like really bad sunburn.
Right, so that's how they're querying the Schengen.
Yeah. And then it's just like my blood is boiling hot.
So this is basically a hop, skip and a jump for us. 20 minutes.
80 knots, check. Rotate.
A gadas an ma san hospital an a menjavöle, ach a hospital na Nielan an a storn of ag na smue, agus a uyemoch hóritje in shin, agus hat an ochus gym faiad amach de a kjar.
And hopefully get her back to her marathon running and running after her wee boy. Is he 4? He'll keep you fit.
Gamma 926, land at your discretion, runway 18, subsequent 270, 1 knot.
That's copied, Gamma 926. Do you think you'll manage 1 knot of crosswind? I don't know, it's too much.
Idashan an ynruige ha nunje a roiore, that a fiach in a short 360 a charag, gus an hogaid gu inis chil in you.
Cutoff point for us today is about 4:30 this afternoon, and it's because of daylight.
Skas gu plane ashike ham, ganil ketak ski ach tronen wa.
It's about 1:45.
Just working with the tools that I got.
Ganil ach da de hije a Chris a shon a chile charag. Acha fine lorag in triplage mu yedig haul.
You see that side? So that's nice-ish. It's nicer, you know? And then you see that side? It's missing that big chunk. And it's all galled up right there. It just shows this time to fail.
He's going to try and reshape it by filing it. Personally speaking, I would be looking for a new bit, but I mean, he's obviously just wanting to get on. We'll see.
He's got, let's see, an hour and 45 minutes.
Well, I took the burrs off of it, put it back in, and now I'm just putting everything back together.
Well, it's an hour.
Okay,
until
we got an hour left.
15:30 Zulu.
fuel yet as well.
Yeah, and that takes about a half hour.
Am hís a charicha I dashna áte, ach fé mi Chris fígin I bhfuil a gobad.
Oh, just giving everything a final look over. It's fixed. We got 5 more landings, a little bit of taxiing. If the pilots are nice and gentle with it, we should make it.
I dashan na manivela, a mark ma gruedi an tan studi.
Juth, Chidonach is the fear son, Pen Glasgow Chinstay. Minutes, no, yeah.
Ag in na naim a daibi bottom li a fehu bin a golfar an agye.
Very young voice on that flag B on the radio there, wasn't it?
Just a beginner, I think. No, sometimes you hear them on the radio and think, honestly, they shouldn't be up there. They're so young, it's untrue.
She's getting old though.
Yeah.
An a golfar than ith chile.
Tiny golf clubs. I hadn't even noticed.
Loved it.
Fantastic.
Loved it. And we're leaving with the sun. Look at the beautiful blue sky now.
That's it all lit up. It has to all charge itself up first. Lots of power with this little machine. It gets off short runways quick. You take off and press your navigation and you're away.
An an ruige, han shorts 360 a charaig, agus jesol as on an turis tasni chuen hier, go vehe uur a gjóðain farsalen fjöch na staatjen. Chan jullie hienish ach connig.
30 minutes till we have to stay in Wick. And enjoy haggis.
Ha wodoch het andrunish, sho a livrigich.
We're in the yellow right now.
Le fasgith 700 míle di ske, fe min a tankich in a viwan a had a dollarin in is chiel.
Bottom of the green.
I want top of the green.
He's probably going to stay the night now because we're not getting to get off in time before you can't get to Iceland before dark.
Middle of the green!
You can't do it.
3 minutes. I don't know unless I start running.
That's you had 1,000 now in there. Need more fuel? 180. Right, that's 1180. 40 litres. That's it.
Agus an goed me jiddig en plan ski.
Bamra Ratsu Aldan Arbex at flight level 80.
Yep, that's all right.
Done it.
That's us. Good luck. Thank you. See you next time.
We'll blast out of here. I'll head home. My wife will be happy. I'll be happy.
Bydd at ceadw yn y hydje, mas rygad in is chiel. Agus ha cofoch gyfil y chyle y gwbeth mar bychod.
It was a good, I suppose, gamble to say that it'll last the trip to across there. Yeah, it's worth. But without that, they'd be probably waiting on spares, and you know, it's time, and they're all waiting, wanting to get home. The usual story with a ferry flight. It's productive. It got somebody to where they need to go to.
You feel satisfied?
I suppose so. Until the next one. Another challenge.
Han pleine idigin is chillige gab a ryan a stjornerag, ach ha turizele rumpe.
Well, trouble. You're just a youngster.
Femi at Island joch a hordgachi guarkef.
Listen, you better not be chatting me up now. My other half, JC will get quite jealous, you know. He doesn't even like me holding hands at times. Now Helen, you realise you're going first class here. I mean, the only time you get this is British Airways. So basically we'll do all the work here, okay?
Haeli nugad sa sia, agus huari crua chanúr o chiangadich, agus fydine sy'n gol gachi o Sean Swan o chug.
I had 50 years of bowling and 50 years of bridge. That's what kept me going.
But hey, you're sorted now, you'll be like the bionic woman.
Okay, good, ready, off we go.
Here we go.
Water feathers up.
Alright.
Rotate.
Agus hanoi siúl seo a corda di Eli.
I think it's amazing. I think it's so comfortable and as smooth as can be. Nothing to worry about. I think we're so lucky to have what we have. Really do.
She's very calm and just enjoys a good chat like that.
We're about to go through some clouds just now, but hopefully you'll get some nice views once we're below the cloud level here.
Yes.
Alright?
Gamma 871 Bravo, runway 09, to the land, wind 15018.
Seo yng nghor y myedig y yw i'r ffilyd Tim Butler yn plene hort sias yn yw. Bieg y tasyn idro'n laia a barean rolager na dy hilisat, agus hanir gilior iolas ag y son sy'n hast.
Good, it's looking nice. BRF plus 10. Just hold on to that, eh? Okay, will do.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Lovely. Almost a textbook crosswind landing. Very good. Very nice. Thank you.
We'll give him a 9.5 for that. By the end of the day, Helen's home. Yes. And that's the most important thing, is that you're actually here in Kirkwall.
First right, small apron.
Agus hang harabedidi Ginny Fehu, son y tortgan hospital in y dal.
Bye just now, Helen. Take it easy, hope you get home soon.
Sieb al yn y hyglis dydych yn gyn y hyma aatichen gan mynd y skipi yn y siŵl, yma twrys gach bliona.
We all love flying, so it doesn't matter if we go to the same place, 10 times, in a week. It's all good fun.
What a lovely old dear, isn't she? What a sweetheart. Fantastic character, that's for sure. Right.
Bi dau hydmyn a jawn hast, mys rwy'n skipper a barean y ddysg.
Gamma 926, Scottish Control clears you via Yankee 906 to Aberdeen.
Rotate. For me, I really like the type of flying that we're doing, but also the nature of the ambulance. It's going out helping people. So there's an extra amount of job satisfaction from that.
Slightly left. 30. 20. 10.
Ant yn afrogram, eich ysich typisch an y marau. O'i gydyn yn elan iddyn clyg an sgol.
You definitely have the most adventurous way to get to school.
Egis is stúdig fléinigin an the South thing.
Yeah, he did quite well actually.